If you are over 60 and you notice your legs feel a bit heavy lately, you are not alone. Maybe you find yourself gripping the armrests tightly just to stand up from your favorite chair. Perhaps those stairs in your home suddenly feel much steeper than they used to feel. You might even avoid long walks because your thighs feel soft and tire out so quickly now. It is easy to assume this is just a normal part of getting older in life. But I want to tell you that this is not just normal aging. Your legs can still get much stronger regardless of your current age. These gentle leg exercises for seniors are designed to help you build leg muscle after 60 safely. We are going to look at what the science actually says about your potential for growth. I promise that if you follow along, you will feel more steady on your feet. You can reclaim your leg strength for seniors and stay independent for many years to come. The medical community has a specific name for the muscle loss we experience as we age. It is called sarcopenia, and it simply means the natural decline of muscle tissue. You can think of your leg muscles like a simple rubber band. If you never stretch a rubber band, it eventually becomes very stiff and thin. But if you use that rubber band gently every day, it stays flexible and strong. According to the Mayo Clinic, the risk of falling goes up significantly after age 65. Most people respond to this fear by moving less to stay safe. However, deciding to stop moving actually speeds up muscle loss faster than aging itself. Sarcopenia involves a reduction in fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are essential for balance. When these fibers thin out, you lose the ability to catch yourself during a stumble. Harvard Health and the NIH both agree that resistance training is the best countermeasure. The right exercises can actually rebuild muscle even if you are already 80 years old. You do not have to live in fear of getting hurt from a workout. We are going to use safe leg exercises for seniors that you can do at home. Stay with me, because exercise number 2 is one most seniors have never tried. Physical therapists often say it is the most powerful leg builder you can do from a chair. Today I am introducing 3 gentle exercises that serve as your complete strength solution. You do not need a gym membership or any expensive equipment for these movements. You will not even need to get down on the floor at any point. I chose these specific 3 exercises because they target the exact muscles you use daily. These are the muscles responsible for standing up, walking steady, and maintaining your balance. We will focus on building functional strength that applies directly to your real life. This approach uses gentle leg strengthening to improve your coordination and your confidence. Many seniors find that no equipment leg workout for the elderly is the easiest to start. We are following physical therapy exercises for seniors that prioritize joint safety above all else. By the end of this video, you will have a simple plan to build leg muscle at home. You will see that these are truly safe exercises for those over 60 years old. Let us get started with our first foundational movement for building your lower body strength. Our first movement is the sit-to-stand exercise, which is essentially a gentle chair squat. Think about every time you have to stand up from the toilet or a low sofa. If your legs feel weak, that simple moment can feel quite unstable or even dangerous. This exercise targets your quadriceps on the front of your thighs and your gluteal muscles. These are the primary muscles responsible for your standing strength and your overall independence. A famous study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association proved this works. Researchers found that even frail residents in their 90s gained significant strength from this type of movement. To perform this safely, find a sturdy chair that will not slide or roll away. Sit at the front edge of the seat with your feet flat and hip-width apart. Lean your chest forward over your toes to shift your weight into your feet. Squeeze your buttock muscles and rise slowly to a full standing position without using your arms. If you have knee pain, you can use a chair with armrests for extra leverage. A common mistake is looking down at the floor, which can make you lose your balance. Instead, keep your eyes looking straight ahead as you rise and breathe out during the effort. Aim for 10 slow repetitions twice every day to see the best results. Rest for about 1 minute between your sets to let your muscles recover. This sit-to-stand exercise for seniors is the single most important move for your mobility. Now, exercise number 2 only takes 90 seconds, and you can do it right now while holding your kitchen chair. Exercise number 2 is the standing heel raise, which focuses on your calf strength. Strong calves are vital because they act as the primary drivers of your walking power. Imagine you are reaching for a jar on the top shelf of your kitchen pantry. Your calves have to fire to lift you up and keep you steady in that position. This exercise targets the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles in your lower legs. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows a direct link here. Seniors with stronger calves have much better balance and significantly fewer falls. To start, stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the back for balance support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your back very straight and tall. Slowly lift both heels off the floor until you are standing on the balls of your feet. Hold that peak contraction for 2 seconds to maximize the benefit to your muscles. Then lower your heels back to the floor with slow and total control. If you find this difficult, just lift your heels a small amount to begin with. One common mistake is bouncing or using momentum to get your heels up. You must move slowly to ensure your muscles are doing the actual work. Try to complete 10 to 15 repetitions in a slow and rhythmic fashion. This is one of the best calf exercises for seniors to prevent falls and improve stability. You are building functional strength for seniors that makes every step feel more secure. Wait until you see exercise number 3, because it builds the exact muscle that protects your knees. Our final movement is the seated leg extension, which is an excellent quad isolation exercise. This exercise targets the front thigh muscles that are responsible for your knee stability. When you walk, these muscles act as shock absorbers to protect your joints from impact. Johns Hopkins Medicine recommends this to build the strength needed for a steady gait. Strengthening these muscles can even reduce the pain associated with knee osteoarthritis. This exercise is very safe because you are fully supported in a seated position. Sit upright in a firm chair with your feet flat and your back supported. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you until it is parallel to the floor. Point your toes slightly upward to increase the engagement of your thigh muscle. Hold your leg at the top for 3 seconds while feeling the muscle working. Lower your foot back down slowly to the starting position with complete control. If you have limited mobility, place a rolled towel under your knees for extra comfort. A common mistake is leaning your back too far away from the chair during the lift. Keep your spine tall and use the sides of the chair for stability if needed. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions on one leg before switching to the other side. This leg strengthening routine helps you build muscle after 70 without any joint strain. You are developing the knee stability exercises that will keep you walking with power. In just a moment, I will give you the exact weekly schedule to follow for success. Now that you know the moves, you need a consistent weekly exercise plan for seniors. I recommend doing this simple routine 3 days every week for the best results. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is a perfect schedule because it allows for rest days. Your muscles actually grow and get stronger during those important periods of rest. Each session should take you less than 10 minutes to complete from start to finish. That is all your legs really need to start building that vital new muscle. You must be patient because it usually takes 4 to 6 weeks to notice a difference. You will first feel more stable, and then you will notice less fatigue. Remember that consistency beats intensity every single time you choose to exercise. This leg routine for the elderly is your roadmap to feeling much stronger at home. I want you to take a moment and picture how your life will feel with stronger legs. Imagine standing up from your chair with ease and without even thinking about it. Think about walking to your mailbox with a steady and confident stride. You will be able to climb the stairs without needing to grip the rails so tightly. Having this strength means you can keep up with your grandchildren during family gatherings. It means you can go grocery shopping or visit friends without needing to ask for help. Leg health over 60 is the key to maintaining your total independence. Your muscles are amazing because they respond to gentle work at any age of life. Whether you are 70 or 85, your body still has the power to get stronger. You are taking a proactive step toward aging well naturally and living fully. Feel proud of yourself for starting this journey to senior strength today. I would love to hear from you as you begin this new routine for your health. Which of these 3 exercises are you going to try first in your home? Please drop your age and your answer in the comments below, because I read them all. If you found this helpful, please save this video so you can find it easily tomorrow. Also, please share this with one person over 60 who you care about deeply. In my next video, I will show you how I reduce foot swelling overnight. 5 bedtime fixes for seniors. This will help you double your muscle results using simple foods in your kitchen. One of the foods on that list will genuinely surprise you when you see it. Make sure to follow for more weekly senior health tips and exercise routines. I will see you in the next video as we keep getting stronger together.